Introducing the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A silent guardian in the eternal battle against pet hair and dust. Meticulously engineered for the sprawling landscapes of large homes. This robotic marvel is not merely a machine, but a diligent servant and a clever companion, navigating your floors with the grace of a shadow and the precision of a Swiss watch. With a powerful 2300 PA suction, it devours debris as if it were a hungry beast. Yet its whisper-quiet operation ensures the tranquility of your household remains undisturbed. Furthermore, its ultra-thin 2.87 design allows it to slip under furniture where dust bunnies dare to hide. And it effortlessly transitions from vacuuming carpets to mopping hard floors. This versatile device is a true workhorse, and its 120-minute battery life ensures a thorough and uninterrupted clean, so you can return to a home that feels both pristine and welcoming. In essence, this is Kilgone, smart vacuum and mop for pets. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a technological symphony of convenience and intelligence, offering a seamless user experience that puts you in complete control. Consequently, its smart app and voice control capabilities transform cleaning from a chore into a command, allowing you to schedule, monitor, and customize your cleaning sessions from anywhere. Additionally, it learns the layout of your home, creating a digital map and thus optimizing its cleaning path for maximum efficiency. It is a brilliant mind in a sleek body, and its advanced sensors prevent it from tumbling down stairs or bumping into obstacles. As a result, it works tirelessly, safeguarding your furniture and providing peace of mind. Moreover, its dual functionality means it vacuums away pet hair while simultaneously mopping up muddy paw prints, offering a comprehensive clean that tackles both dry and wet messes. Subsequently, your home becomes a sanctuary, and your floors a canvas of cleanliness. This truly is Kilgone, smart vacuum and mop for pets. Ultimately, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo transcends the mundane definition of a cleaning appliance. It is an investment in your well-being and a testament to modern living. For instance, it is a tireless sentinel guarding the gates against allergens and a tireless cleaner that keeps your home sparkling. Indeed, it frees up your time, allowing you to focus on the things that truly matter. Whether it be spending more time with your pets or simply relaxing in a spotless environment, it is a beacon of innovation and a powerful solution for those who demand both performance and convenience. Furthermore, it is incredibly easy to maintain, with a large dustbin and a simple-to-fill water tank. Therefore, with the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, you are not just buying a product, you are acquiring a partner in home maintenance and a key to a cleaner, healthier life. Without a doubt, this is Kilgone, smart vacuum and mop for pets. Pros: great suction, effortlessly picks up pet hair. Mopping feature is fantastic, leaves floors spotless. Alexa and app integration. Long battery life, intelligent navigation, doesn't bump into furniture, runs quietly, doesn't get stuck, easy to empty and refill. Cons: not really automatic, did not have the map on it, sometimes stuck in a place, stops working. Features: vacuums and mops simultaneously, 2300 PA powerful suction, smart app and voice control, 120 minutes of cleaning time, ultra-thin 2.87-inch design, tangle-free for pet hair, includes a 230 milliliters water tank, self-recharging and quiet operation, works on various floor types, HEPA filter. For allergens, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed for pet hair and large homes, offering simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with a powerful 2300 PA suction. It features smart app and voice control for easy operation and an ultra-thin 2.87-inch design to Clean under furniture. The vacuum provides up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. Includes a 230 milliliters water tank. And is equipped with a HEPA filter to capture allergens. It operates quietly, is self-recharging, and is tangle-free, making it ideal for homes with pets. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a smart cleaning solution designed for pet owners and large homes. Its powerful 2300 PA suction effortlessly handles pet hair, while the mopping feature leaves floors spotless. With a long-lasting 120-minute battery, it cleans for extended periods. And its ultra-thin 2.87 design allows it to navigate under low furniture. The vacuum offers smart integration with Alexa and a dedicated app. Features intelligent navigation that avoids bumping into furniture. And operates quietly, while it excels at picking up pet hair and has a great mopping function. Some users have noted that it lacks an automatic emptying and refilling feature. Does not have a mapping function. Occasionally gets stuck, and can sometimes stop working, though it is generally easy to empty and refill.